First, enable either Safe Mode or Ghost Mode in WP Ghost to activate the section customization. Once this is done, let's navigate to the WP Core Security section. Within this section, you have the ability to enter different paths for WordPress core files. For instance, instead of using the default paths like WP Content, you can rename it to Core. You can change WP Includes to Lib, Uploads to Storage or Images, and WP Comments to simply Comments. By customizing these paths, any URL that contains these default folders will be updated, effectively increasing security by making the structure less predictable to attackers. It's important to note that these changes aren't physical. The actual directories on your server aren't renamed, but the paths that are visible from the front end are changed. Once the paths are customized, you can further secure your site by hiding the default core paths. WP Ghost allows you to hide files based on their extensions. For example, you can choose to hide all PHP, JavaScript, CSS, or text files within these core folders. To maintain compatibility, you may want to leave the already selected extensions, but the more you hide, the more secure your website becomes. Next, you can decide which root files you want to hide from hackerbots. You can select all of them, depending on your security needs. This will make these files inaccessible to any hacker. If your server allows directory browsing, we recommend enabling the option to hide files from being exposed. This prevents potential attackers from seeing what's inside your directories. Don't forget to save the settings to apply these changes. Once saved, all the core paths are now modified on the front end, making your website structure more obscure and secure. If we log out and attempt to access the root files directly, you'll notice that access is blocked. And there you have it. WP Ghost makes it simple to secure your WordPress core paths. Thanks for watching and stay secure.